How to fix DirectX 12 not supported on your PC in Marvel Rivals. So first of all, the first step is you need to check the requirements of your PC, if your PC can even play the game or not. You can go for your store in the Steam or whatever platform that you are using, and then you just need to search for Marvel Rivals. This is where you need to simply scroll down until you see the requirements and make sure that your PC meets these minimum requirements. Now once you are done with this step, the next step will going to be simply searching for device manager, and once you search for this you need to go for display adapters and make sure that your graphics card is up to date. Once you have updated your graphic drivers, the next step is verifying the game files. You can head over to your Steam, go for library, go for Marvel Rivals, and then click on settings and properties. This is where you need to click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. What it will do is simply detect any corrupted file installed with your game, and then it is going to fix that issue. At last you need to simply reinstall the game. Simply click on settings, go for manage, and then click on uninstall and make sure to reinstall again, and this might fix your issue. If not, make sure to wait for the next update, then you can reinstall it again. So this is the way of how you can fix DirectX 12 error on your Marvel Rivals.